loud.
I was wondering if that was you.
But me? Marvin, no, it's obviously not me. I'm standing right here. You tell me, is it me?
Well, because like there's a lot of noise over there. I didn't know if you like released a wild animal.
Released a wild animal? What, like I released a... What, like a fucking elephant in your house?
I don't like a rhinoceros.
Oh yeah, I released a rhino in your house so I could eat chips in your bathtub. No one in history has ever said that combination of words.
So that's not you.
Marvin, is there a fucking blind button on that remote? No, it's not me. Clearly, I'm right here and I'm not touching anything. You should figure out what that is, though. It sounds bad.